At a large venue such as the MCEC, an operations manager has a holistic view of the venue, but also touch points throughout the event life cycle. From the moment an event comes through the sales inquiry stage through to event delivery, there's a variety of different spaces that someone can hold their event in. You have to consider patron flow from one event space through to another, and how are those spaces being used throughout the day. It's to ensure a level of cohesion between the various elements that are booked for one event. When I'm looking at the floor plan, I'm reviewing every element that gets placed within our four walls. I have a bit of an old school approach. I like to print off the floor plan, get out my highlighters and pens, note the patron flow, circle certain elements that I'm not sure of, make notes on various measurements and things like that, just to make sure that I can question and document what's required to have the floor plan approved from my perspective. Once I've done my floor plan review, I'll sit down with the event planner and we'll work through my questions and queries together. So a floor plan will include a bird's eye view of our emergency exit points, staging, flooring, rigging elements, exhibition stands, and AV and lighting requirements. But we're also looking at the open space. If there's a certain item or stage that would require a queue, for example, we're looking at how that works with what's around. We know when we look at a floor plan, if we've got this much open space, this is how many people you can safely have. The event planner will get all of the subject matter experts together. We'll have a representative from food and beverage. We'll have a catering services manager, a tech planner, and we'll get together to go through the event plan in detail. When we sit down in those meetings, we're looking at the event from bump in to bump out. During the bump in phase, I will often go down into the event space to do a review of how things are progressing. Eyes and ears are open. When I'm walking through the event space, I have my floor plan in hand and I'll be doing checks. I'm looking for any areas of concern with regards to safety. There's certain elements that get set up in incorrect places or unsafe places that go against what the floor plan has been signed off and approved for, and will require a conversation with the client and the contractors to rectify. One of our major goals as an operations manager is ensuring that our events that we have within MCEC are safe. Australia has really high standards when it comes to events and the safety of those events. Here at MCEC, we're very passionate about the compliance and we work tirelessly to ensure that our events are safe, accessible, and ultimately enjoyable for all that attend. I really enjoy my role as an operations manager. MCEC houses some incredible events. A few of my favourites is the Cat Lovers Show and the Craft and Quilt Show. I really enjoy the challenges and the difficulties that can come from working within such a large venue with so many elements, so many spaces, so many teams and contractors. No day is the same, but it's the individual events that provide the creativity and the innovation and the different way of thinking. And that ultimately keeps me excited.